Hello, I'm Liz Tilley and I'm here in the blue chip inner Brisbane suburb of Bulimba. This leafy riverside pocket has become a haven for cutting-edge architectural homes, and the one I'm about to show you is no exception. 9 Bulimba Parade is a home of grand proportions and clever design. So come with me and I'll show you around. I love the full height natural stone feature wall and fireplace, which really adds to the grandeur of the home and also gives some warmth to the living area, which flows seamlessly out to an outdoor dining and living space. It really is this smooth integration between inside and outside. The state-of-the-art kitchen features the full suite of premium appliances, including an induction cooktop and 2 ovens. I really love the sleek stone bench tops, the custom pendant linear lighting, and of course there's a full Butlers Pantry, but it's cleverly hidden behind these 2 doors. But you'll probably find yourself spending more time entertaining out here with your beefeater barbecue, wine fridge, full outdoor kitchen, and the kids can enjoy a dip in the pool surrounded by beautiful landscaped gardens. Upstairs, there are 4 bedrooms, including the master, which boasts a walk-in wardrobe, makeup desk, and an ensuite with a double vanity and freestanding bath, plus city views from your own private balcony. Unlike some contemporary homes, which can feel a little cold, 9 Bulimba Parade is warm and welcoming. With its focus on light, space and luxury, this move-in ready home is a true family sanctuary in one of Brisbane's most sought-after suburbs. This HIA award-winning masterpiece, designed by Hugo Design and built by Space Constructions, has a clever layout that maximises natural light. You can see how these banks of full-height glass, soaring voids and loft ceilings really open up the home and enhance the open plan layout. To top it all off, there's also a full-sized office, a media room, smart wiring home automation, a security alarm system and CCTV cameras, ducted air conditioning and a double garage. Just minutes from Oxford Street, join the teams of locals on a Saturday and Sunday for a coffee and a spot of shopping, or catch the ferry into the city. Bulimba has a strong village atmosphere with plenty of parks, elite schools and prized addresses, all less than 10 kilometres from